Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
I don't know. I don't get the detail of that. In fact, but the fact remains is from the government side, where they ultimately put restriction, the carrying capacity over the bridge at Umïam. And number two, from the state community also, we are working out. We are already engaged the consultant, the alternative bridge or the alternative road. This is for the permanent solution from now on. Then now, let me just tell you, the consultant is on the job. He will now, a survey will take place very soon. He will work it out. Then he will submit the DPR to us, and then we will push it for sanction of this particular project. We are identified downstream of the existing bridge. Downstream of the existing bridge. I think the deputy commissioners, Bhoi and East Castles, they are on the way now to notify, because the land acquisition processing has to start. So now, right now, we already left it to the responsibility, to the wisdom of the deputy commissioners to do it. This damage starts from Maurakering downwards. So now, once the monsoon is over, repairing work will be taken up on priority basis. We'll make sure that during winter season, this road is completely improved.